Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video I wanted to talk about the importance of sketching from life and sketching what's in front of you. And it really makes you look at things, and so today I've just done a very quick sketch out of the window. I have actually just taken a couple of snaps with my phone which I'll add to the video later. Because I wanted you to see what I was looking at. But the thing about it is, when you're sketching from life, it's changing all the time. And at this time of year and a day like today, we've got very strong sunlight, but we've also got a lot of clouds coming across. I look out at a crag that's covered in trees and shrub, and so we've got all these trees and things going on here, but the colours are changing at the moment, but also we've got shadows from clouds coming across. So all the time I was doing this, the light was changing. So the thing about it is, it's making you observe and it's making you think. And I think sometimes when we're just working from a photograph that's captured a moment in time, and we've got all the time in the world to copy the photograph, we're not building up our memories the same and our observational skills. So if you don't have to go and sit outside if it's cold. You can sketch from the window. I mean, you can sketch an interior anyway. You could do a still life or anything. But I just feel I wanted to emphasise to you, really it is important to get away sometimes from copying photographs and to actually get out and work from your own material and have a go at sketching. So this little sketch, I used the Derwent Inktense Blocks, which are really handy. You can actually buy a travel set. I haven't bought that myself actually. When I go out sketching, I do tend to just use a pen and do the actual drawing rather than looking at the colours too much. I try and commit those more to my memory, and I do use photographs as an aid to my drawing as well. But it is good to get the feel of somewhere by sketching, because it's not the sketch that gives you it, it's the length of time that you're there observing and looking and using your eyes. So like I say, the light was changing all the time. I just wanted to get a feel of the different colours mixing together, allowing these colours to mix together on the paper. The great thing with the Derwent is you can use them like a paint by putting a few in a palette, or you can use them straight from a block, and you can pick them up and scribble with them as well. So you can get different forms and some softer areas and some harder areas to get some contrast as well. So not a great sketch, but what it is if I'd been out somewhere doing this today, miles away, and I'd come home, it would just be a little reminder of the fact that all those lights were changing all the time, that I got those really brilliant yellows in there, and that we've got some really heavy shadows underneath there, and a little bit of a feel for the form and a feel for the place, rather than a photograph that we're just going to slavishly work from. And when you get them home and work from your sketches, the thing is, because you haven't got that microscopic detail that the camera picks up, you've just got your sketch, you actually become much freer and looser with your painting, which is what a lot of people I know would like to do. So I'm hoping that you found that useful, and I hope you do get time to go out and sketch. And you don't have to use the Derwent Inktense to sketch. You can just use a pencil, you can just use your crayons, whichever you find most portable and most easy to use. I do actually tend to, excuse me one moment, when I go walking I use this because it fits into my rucksack really nicely, and when I'm sat out on the ground I can just, you know, hold it like this, and I've got my paints there, so, and it's got all the colours that I would need, although I do need to replace this one by the looks of things. But yeah, so that's the Senelia travel set, and that's the one I would use when I was out and about, just using a little sketchbook. Okay, so I hope you found that video useful. Let me know in the comments below, and everybody else know what your thoughts are on sketching outdoors, and if you enjoy sketching from life, and any hints and tips you might want to give anyone else. In the meantime, have a great weekend and enjoy your painting and drawing, and I'll be back again with you next week with more tutorials and demonstrations. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.
You got me like in a box. I adore everything you touch. Say, do you believe that we were meant to be? My body craves identity. Green mango peach, what a tease, calling me like the rainbow. please take it easy. No one likes push and shove. Let go of control. In under fallen treasured skies, I'm staring deep into your green eyes. But two is one, so we begin. Oh, I follow you till the end, my darling. Green mango peach, what a tease, calling me like the rainbow. Oh, pretty please, take it easy. No one likes push and shove. Let go of control of all you think you know and how you want us to be. Oh, let go. You got me like in a box. I adore everything you touch. Say, do you believe that we were meant to be? My body craves identity. Green mango peach, what a tease, calling me like the rainbow.